That's the difference between finding a healing and going through a holistic healing. Yung holistic healing is different, kabuuan siya. It's the wholeness of who you are, what you've gone through, ano yung mga past relationship, ano yung mga pinagdaanan, and ano yung mga kinakain mo, ano yung mga na-encounter mo sa buhay, kung sino-sino. You be exploring and discovering kung ano yung holistic healing. And I think, bago naman natin ma-discover yun, di ba? Maraming tayong pinagdaanan na sometimes you wanna go there to find alternative, but then you wanted to go to just healing. Hindi, ito lang, puso lang problema ko, itong heart lang. Hindi kasama yung utak, puso lang. Alam mo yung parang separate? Kasi
Yes.
when you say holistic healing, it's all connected. Pag sinabi nating, kailangan ko pumunta sa ganung doktor kasi masakit ang ulo mo, akala mo ulo mo lang masakit, nung pala may relation yun sa stress, sa tiyan, or something, you know? This is a different perspective kung paano yung holistic healing sa normal na healing.